All right, hello, my name is Logan.
I'm Rachel.
Jorden.
I'm John.
We're going to be talking to you today about our trash sorting machine. So here's a little factoid. Every day, Americans throw away enough trash to fill up 63,000 trash trucks, which is quite a big number. It's a staggering number that we want to address. Or enough, it's just really bad. Sorry.
Of this garbage, half of it is made of recyclable materials.
So what we've addressed in the problem pane is that before recyclables before they're put into a recycling machine, they have to be just recyclables. We've looked up some facts about it, and there are machines out there that do sort through recyclables, but if it's in the trash, it doesn't work. So our machine, you could send the trash to the companies. It would sort through the recyclables and the trash, take the trash out, and then put the recyclables into a recyclable sorting machine.
The idea that we have come up with is to create a machine in a two-step process. We would use the machine that's been built as our second portion, and then our machine would be at the front of that, and our machine would sort the recyclables from trash, and then it would go to this one where it would sort them by type. Opportunity size, 3 billion, or each year, 3 billion cans, plastic bottles, glass bottles are thrown away, and we want to reduce this by half with our machine. And once we streamline this process, it will make it faster, and it will speed up the whole system. And then, as you can see from the value add, our machine would make it a one-step process. It would sort out all the trash from the recyclables, and it would cut labor. But the green machine only does 2 of those, which is the labor and the recyclables.
And just to clarify, the green machine is the machine that we'll have at the end of our machine. And all it does is sort recyclables out to the different types of recyclables. So it sorts them out by if they're plastic or cardboard, glass, metal, plastic, etc.
All right, so the value proposition, the sorting machine would pull out all the trash from the recyclables. The current green machine only just works with just recyclables alone. It cuts labor costs, as Rachel mentioned. It increases worker safety by eliminating the manual labor, and the machine would increase demand for white collar jobs, since the machine will require upkeep and updates. And then for the business model canvas, you can see the chart. You follow down through here: key activities, key resources, partners, customer relationships, customer channels, and customer segments. John will dive more into these, but this is the chart you follow in order to make this a successful machine.
Okay, first I'm going to go over key activities, key resources, and partners. We like to think of those as the internal parts of the business. Okay, so for the key activities, we need to come up with a marketing campaign to raise awareness about this. And we also need to get agreements with recycling and trash companies. First, we need agreements with trash companies because we need to implement this system at the trash companies' sites. And then second, we need agreements with recycling companies, so once we've sorted these recyclables out of the trash, we can take it to these companies where they'll break it down. We also need to have a beta test so we can gain some stats so we can continue to raise resources. So our key resources are, I don't know why that got messed up. I think when we transferred it from Google Slides to PowerPoint it did that, but we need recycling and trash companies, our trash sorting machine, and capital. So we need funding. We need grants, investments, and any sort of money we can get. And we also need intellectual property, so we need patents on this design. Our partners are the recycling companies, trash companies, engineers, manufacturers, the green machine company in a whole, and a legal team. Okay, and then these are the external segments of our business, the customer channels. So business pitches to trash companies. We need to get these trash companies on board. Our customers, we need to maintain a relationship with our customers, so we need positive media attention and explain the benefits to customers and consumers. And finally, the customers and stakeholders, recycling companies, trash companies, the green machine, and then also investors. Any questions?